Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Dave Murdoch's 2015 Roush Stage 3 Phase 2 car. We just got done swapping the Gen 3 supercharger onto the car with an 85mm pulley. As you may have seen in some of the previous videos we've done, the car previously had the Roush supercharger with a 69mm pulley on a 110 octane leaded race fuel tune. Dave wanted to go to a what we'll call less aggressive setup on a fuel that's a bit more readily available. So we dialed the car back a little bit, put it on the VMP Gen3 with an 85mm pulley. The car made 750 horsepower and right at 600 pound-feet of torque. And the previous setup was 800 horsepower and around 630 pound-feet of torque. So we're down about 50 horsepower, but we got him on a fuel that's a bit easier to get a hold of. We can put him on a tune that he can put 93 and boosting in it and just go down the road on long road trips and stuff. Something that's not restricting him to a certain fuel and a certain distance from home that he can drive in that fuel. But all in all, car makes great power considering we're down on boost, and I'm just glad that Dave is at a point with the car where he wants to drive it a bit more and isn't as latched down by fuel. If you want to get any type of consultation or any type of tips on your build or maybe order some parts, make sure you hit up the sales and support department. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.